UK schools could reduce energy costs by around £44 million per year, which would prevent 625,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide gas from entering the atmosphere. By changing our light bulbs, we can help the UK to make a step towards a much greener future.
Welcome to Sir Roger Manwood School, a school steeped in history where we strive to do our bit for the environment. Our aim is to change the light bulbs in our school in order to limit our carbon footprint, but we need your help to make our vision a reality. Please consider donating today.
In this classroom, we already have 2 LED lights, while the other 4 are examples of T8s and T12s, which are less efficient. By changing these 4 lights to LEDs, we can save 123 kilograms of CO2 from entering our atmosphere every year. That's the equivalent to driving 265 miles in a diesel car.
Through this project, we will not only be helping the environment, but LEDs also have proven benefits to concentration. They are safer, and they help to lower costs, which means we will have more money for future environmental projects.